On the main campus of Central State University, the Research and Demonstration Complex project will house various research, extension, and teaching components associated with our 1890 land-grant missions. The following video features an overview of what we have planned. The Research and Demonstration Complex is being completed in 2 phases to expand our current land-grant missions and provide educational opportunities for students, faculty, staff, and farmers in Ohio. Phase 1 is already underway, and we continue planning and identifying additional resources to complete it and support Phase 2 of this institutional endeavor. Phase 1 focuses on building the much-needed capacity for our current research. Specifically, the research facility in Phase 1 will provide infrastructure for critical research in soil and water, food science and safety, precision agriculture, and artificial intelligence. Whereas Phase 2 will expand capacity to accommodate additional research, extension, and training programming. The current Aquaponics Demonstration Center will be enhanced to provide resources for small-scale and urban farmers looking for information. Both Phase 1 and Phase 2 will address the need for storage space to protect our current and future agricultural farm equipment, as well as provide the space for their maintenance. This farm equipment supports all agricultural practices at the Research and Demonstration Complex. A key component of Phase 2 is the establishment of an academic development building and produce processing facility to provide training for students, farmers, and other stakeholders on food safety and post-harvest handling. Phase 2 will expand the greenhouse space to provide more research resources and support for food and agricultural growth areas and storage. Fruit production and greenhouse production provide an opportunity for farmers with small acreage to produce high-value crops. Research in these areas provide real-world solutions to address food security issues in vulnerable populations. In Phase 2, Central State University is also planning to expand into animal sciences and also pasture management and biosecurity to demonstrate best management practices for farmers. Phase 2 includes pastures and animal production to provide students with veterinary science opportunities and allow for development of solutions for climate-smart technologies in livestock operations. 4-H youth learn about agricultural careers and food production and participate in value-added production to learn about the global food system. The majority of Ohio's woodlands are privately owned, and demonstration and research in stewardship are important for woodland owners to learn about climate resiliency and ecosystem protection. The current honeybee field lab will be expanded to conduct crucial research for pollinator protection. The flight cage and other technologies provide insight into honeybee behavior and dynamics to address issues in honeybee genetics. The space will also be utilized to train beekeepers on best management practices to ensure good hive health. Research on water quality for surface water containment such as ponds is important, as this provides crucial habitat for wildlife while also supporting water resources. The future is bright at Central State University as we endeavor to provide solutions for societal problems and create a more sustainable and secure food system for not only the world, but for the underserved and underrepresented communities and populations who are most vulnerable and closer to home. The Research and Demonstration Complex project will provide support and infrastructure for the land-grant components of research, extension, and teaching. Join us as we develop partnerships and discover resources to continue building this project and expand the impact of Central State University around our state, Ohio, and globally.